Hello, and welcome to Eating Healthy with Michelle. My name is Michelle Schubert, and I work for Iowa State University Extension and Outreach in Cerro Gordo County. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about this one. Any ideas what it might be? Today, we're going to learn about black beans. So first, do you think black beans are a fruit or a vegetable? Give me 2 claps if you think it is a fruit. Give me 2 claps if you think it is a vegetable. Black beans are a vegetable, but they also have the nutrients to consider them as a meat. So when looking at the My Plate, black beans are both a vegetable and a protein and fit into both food groups. So how does black beans grow? Black beans grow as seeds in pods on small bushes. Black beans are native to Central and South America, where it's popular in their Mexican, Caribbean, and Cajun dishes. But beans are a staple in many diets around the world. The black bean has become more popular in the United States. Today in the United States, Michigan is the largest producer of black beans, producing 58% of the crop grown in the United States. The black bean is an oval-shaped bean that has a black, shiny skin, which is technically dark purple, and it has a creamy white center on the inside. When buying black beans from the store, you can buy them dried, frozen, or canned. When selecting dried black beans, you want to look for beans that are dry, firm, clean, and uniform in color. You want to avoid dried beans that are shriveled. Dried black beans must be rinsed and cooked before using. If you would like to learn how to cook dried beans, check out the Spend Smart, Eat Smart article on preparing dried beans. Canned black beans are already cooked. So before using, you want to drain and rinse them under cold water using a colander or a strainer. So how are some ways that we can eat black beans? Black beans can be eaten plain out of a can, or they can be added to burritos, tacos, enchiladas, fajitas, like this chicken fajita bowl from the frozen section, casserole dishes, soups, like this minstrel soup from Spend Smart, Eat Smart, salads, pasta, dips, and salsas, like this quick black bean salsa from Spend Smart, Eat Smart. Black beans can also be made into black bean hummus, pasta, and even chips. Did you know you can also mash black beans and put them into burgers and as black bean brownies? So now that we know all these great ways to eat black beans, why should we eat them? Black beans have fiber. Fiber helps our tummy or our digestive system and can help us feel full longer in between meals. Black beans have protein. Protein makes and repairs our body cells for our muscles, organs, and immune system. Black beans have potassium. Potassium helps our blood pressure and can balance the fluids in our body for hydration. Black beans have iron. Iron gives us lots of energy and helps carry the oxygen into our bodies. Black beans also have folate, which may lower the risk for heart disease. This week, I encourage you to try some black beans at home. If you'd like to know some more information about black beans or some recipes to try at home, like the black bean brownies, check out the newsletter that goes along with this video. You can find it on our website. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.